In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create flow in Klaviyo. A flow in Klaviyo is an automated series of actions, usually emails or texts, that runs based on a trigger. This is how you send messages at the right time without having to manually reach out to every subscriber. Using a template is a fast and reliable way to start because it gives you a proven structure that you can customize later. To begin, log in to your Klaviyo account and look at the left-hand navigation menu. Find and click Flows. This takes you to the area where you can view, manage, and build automations for your account. Next, move to the top right corner and click Create Flow. This opens the Flow library, where Klaviyo provides templates for common goals, like welcoming new subscribers, recovering abandoned carts, and following up after a purchase. Templates are helpful because they include recommended timing and messaging steps, so you are not starting from a blank canvas. Now, click a template from the library. For example, you might choose a welcome series if you want to introduce your brand to new subscribers. After selecting the template, Klaviyo will prompt you to choose a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the flow, such as someone joining a list, making a purchase, or taking another tracked action. Choose the trigger that matches your intention because it determines who will enter the flow and when. Once you have selected the trigger, click Use Template in the Setup modal. This will bring you into the Flow Builder, where you can see the full automation laid out on the canvas. Take a moment to review what you imported so you understand how it is structured. When you are ready to activate it, go to the top right of the canvas and click Review and Turn On. You will see a status drop-down. Select Live to turn the flow on so it can begin sending to real people who meet the trigger conditions. Finally, click Update Status again to confirm and save. Give it a brief moment to apply, and your flow is now active. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.